Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to easily create a zoom in and out intro video in CapCut. So first you can add a clip that you want to make as an intro, then copy it and make it as overlay. So put it under the main video and then zoom out the overlay, make it smaller like this. Then click on the main video, go to filter, find the mono category, then select the fade filter. Click on the check icon and go to adjust, lower the saturation into -50. And now go back, go to the video effect, click on the TV category and then find the TV lines effect. Adjust the effect, the twist to 0 and range to only 30. Now go back and in here click on the overlay. Click on the overlay here and then go to animation, combo. After that select the zoom 1 animations under the combo category. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, this one right here. Click on the check icon and now you are done with the zoom in and out intro video. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment, and last please click on the thanks below. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.